The JV team has graduated. President Obama sat down with Chuck Todd for an interview on Meet the Press. He clarified some of the details concerning his plan to degrade and shrink the Islamic threat into what he called a manageable problem. And on top of that, Barack I walked back his JV team gaffe and gave us his insight as to why ISIS sprang up and grew in the first place.
We are going to systematically degrade their capabilities. We're going to shrink the territory that they control. And ultimately, we're going to defeat them.
Long way from when you described them as a JV team.
Well,
was that bad intelligence or your misjudgment?
Keep in mind, I wasn't specifically referring to ISIL. I think a lot of us, when we think about terrorism, the model is Osama bin Laden and 9/11. But what is absolutely clear is that ISIL, which started as Al-Qaeda in Iraq and arose out of the U.S. invasion there, has metastasized, has grown, and now we're going to have to deal with them in a systematic way.
They're not a JV team.
Well, they're not a JV team, but keep in mind that we anticipated some of these problems in the speech that I gave in West Point several months ago.
So Obama blames the existence of ISIS on our troops and the decision of President George W. Bush to liberate Iraq from Saddam Hussein. He then had the gall to say he anticipated all of this months ago. If that is truly the case, why was he not better prepared? Just imagine the level of incompetence we would be witnessing had he been caught by surprise. Thanks for listening, and be sure to catch the weekly Ray Warner Show and subscribe at theraywarnershow.com.